Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add friends in BLOODSTRIKE. I remember trying to add my first friend in BLOODSTRIKE, and honestly, I spent a few minutes hunting for the right person because I kept messing up of the spelling of their name. That's when I realized a player ID is a lifesaver. You can find it right under their name, copy it, and use it to make sure you're sending a request to the right account. To add someone, just tap the friend icon next to your inbox, hit Add Friends. You see recommended players popping up, or if you want a specific friend, just type their name or paste their player ID and hit search. Their profile will appear, and tapping Add sends a friend request. Once they accept, you're officially in each other's friend list. Honestly, having a few active friends makes matches so much more fun, and it's nice to know exactly who you're teaming up with. If you're new, I'd recommend starting with a couple of friends you actually play with. It makes coordinating strategies way easier. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.